Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we're dissecting the news and the chart data to get you the inside scoop on what's moving the markets. Today we're focusing on NZDUSD, the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Recent news suggests that NZDUSD is currently experiencing weakness, likely due to the Reserve Bank of New Zealand's, RBNZ, recent rate decision. The RBNZ's decision to hold rates steady while other central banks are taking a more hawkish approach has weighed on the Kiwi, making it less attractive to investors. The global economic backdrop is also a factor, with rising inflation and fears of a recession pressuring risk assets like the NZD. However, despite this negative news, it's important to remember that the market is constantly fluctuating and trends can reverse. To get a clearer picture of NZDUSD's future direction, we need to look at the chart data. Let's start with the daily chart. First, we'll zoom out and look at the big picture, examining the past few months of price action. Here we can see a clear downtrend, with NZDUSD consistently making lower highs and lower lows. This suggests that the bears are currently in control, and the overall sentiment is bearish. Now let's focus on some key price levels on the daily chart. The 0.6200 level appears to be a strong resistance level, as NZDUSD has struggled to break above it multiple times. On the other hand, the 0.5800 level seems to be providing support, as NZDUSD has bounced off this level several times in the past. The current price is sitting just above the 0.5800 level, which is a potential area of interest for traders looking for a bullish reversal. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at the recent price action. Looking at the past week's worth of candles, we can see that the NZDUSD has been consolidating with a range-bound movement. This consolidation suggests that traders are unsure about the direction of the pair, leading to a period of indecision in the market. On the 1-hour chart, we can see that the price has been bouncing around a narrow range, with support near the 0.6000 level and resistance near the 0.6150 level. This suggests that the pair might be preparing for a breakout, but it's unclear in which direction. The key to understanding this breakout will be observing the volume and momentum associated with it. Let's go to the 15-minute chart now to get a sense of the very short-term price action. The 15-minute chart shows a lot of volatility, with NZDUSD making quick moves up and down. This rapid movement is indicative of high trading activity, but it also makes it harder to predict the direction of the pair. The current price is hovering around the 0.6100 level, which is a potential area of interest for traders. If the price breaks above the 0.6150 resistance level on the 1-hour chart with strong volume, it could indicate a bullish breakout, signaling a potential short-term rally. However, if the price breaks below the 0.6000 support level on the 1-hour chart with high volume, it could signal a bearish breakout, potentially leading to a further decline in NZDUSD. It's important to remember that technical analysis is a tool, not a crystal ball. While it can provide insights into potential price movements, it's not a guarantee. We also need to consider fundamental factors, such as news events and economic data, to get a complete picture. To recap the important price levels, the 0.6200 level on the daily chart appears to be a strong resistance level. The 0.5800 level on the daily chart seems to be providing support. On the 1-hour chart, the 0.6000 level is acting as support, while the 0.6150 level is acting as resistance. The key to predicting the direction of NZDUSD will be watching the volume and momentum associated with any breakouts from these levels. If we see a bullish breakout above the 0.6150 level on the 1-hour chart with strong volume, it could indicate a short-term rally. However, a bearish breakout below the 0.6000 level on the 1-hour chart with high volume could signal a further decline in NZDUSD. Traders should keep an eye on the economic calendar, as any unexpected news events or data releases could significantly influence the price of NZDUSD. For example, the release of the upcoming RBNZ interest rate decision could potentially cause a major shift in the market. Finally, remember that trading always carries risks. It's essential to do your own research and develop a trading plan that suits your risk tolerance and investment goals.